In this video, I will be showing you how to create a loyalty card in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by going to the search bar on the Canva home screen and typing in loyalty card. I'll browse through the wide variety of professional templates available until I find one that works for my project. I've decided to use this modern laundry card as my base, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open the editor. Once the design loads, I can start personalizing it. I'll click on the existing text and change the business name to Amihan Cafe. Next, I want to swap out the graphics to match a cafe theme. I head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for a Nipa Hut Cafe. I'll browse the options until I find a graphic I like. Then I'll delete the original laundry icon and place the new hut illustration in its place. To add a bit more detail, I'll also search for a coffee cup icon, resize it, and position it right next to my business name. Now let's adjust the colors to fit the brand. I click on the background and select a warm, earthy brown from the color palette. To make the text stand out against the new background, I select the loyalty card heading and change the text color to white. I'll do the same for the cafe name and the instructions below it to ensure everything is clear and legible. Finally, when I'm happy with the layout, I click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and save the file as a PNG. My custom loyalty card is now ready to print and use. Creating professional designs in Canva is really that simple.